Welcome to this edition of What's Up Wednesday. My name is Lee Jackson, and today we're going to be sharing with you our WordPress development stack. This has been our stack that we would use to create websites that have lots of different layouts, and also what we do when it comes to the larger projects which contain a lot of data. Now, before we carry on, let me let you know what's been going on. First of all, yesterday we had a call with our premium community, and we deep dived, whatever the right word is, into this very subject. Not only did we show the stack, but we also gave a whole load of examples of how we would implement this in a WordPress environment, both at an enterprise level and also for a general day-to-day website. So that was a phenomenal conversation. We had loads of fun together, and thank you everyone who took part in that. You are wonderful and invaluable, so thank you again. Also today at 2:30 our latest podcast episode goes live, so if you're watching this past 2:30, then quick, jump on the podcast player and enjoy a podcast with me and Asan from Cloudways, where they tell us all about their business, how it got started, but most importantly about the company values. And we discuss how important it is for a business and agency as well to have a set of values that everybody can gather around and push forward with. Okay, let me share with you our development stack. This is for a standard WordPress website build where we would want to have multiple sets of data. So we'd be utilizing post types and custom fields, and we'd want to display those post types and those custom fields, all the data that is, on the website and have full control of the design. So the tools we would use to do this are as follows. Number one is the custom post type UI. So this allows us to create the post types and the taxonomies, and also gives us the ability, if we wish, to export that PHP code to pop into the theme or the plugin at the end of our development cycle. Very often we'll actually just leave that active depending on the type of site that we're building. Number two is advanced custom fields, and that's the pro version that we use. Ridiculously cheap. It's a one-off payment and you get it for lifetime on unlimited sites, and we use this for all of the custom fields and also the relationships that we have between our post types. Number three is Admin Columns Pro, and this gives us the ability to design really nice interfaces in the WordPress admin so that our clients can control their data way more effectively, filter that information, and also export that information. And then finally, we utilize Beaver Builder and the Beaver Thema framework, which allows us to design the archives, that's the lists for all of this data, and also allows us to design what the single pages would look like too from those custom post types. It also gives us the ability to design and build the entire site with very, very minimal code. And it's certainly something that has completely changed the way that we build websites for all of our clients. Now, finally, a wildcard option would be pods. Be sure to check that one out in the link below, because if you are dealing with sites that contain a lot of data, so perhaps you're looking at having thousands of records, then you may want to consider using the pods table storage functionality that will actually store your data types in a single table as opposed to multiple, which is the WordPress default. And that can be quite slow if you are dealing with thousands upon thousands of records. So be sure to check out pods if you are dealing with a lot of information. All right, folks, that is What's Up Wednesday. If you want to get content like this, then be sure to like and to subscribe. If you want to be on the cutting edge, then also hit that notification bell icon. Don't forget, we have Frank Friday that's coming up, where we will be talking about something controversial and sharing our opinion, and hopefully you'll get to share yours back with us in the comments. That's Frank Friday. And then we also have Motivation Mondays as well, to get you motivated for the week. Don't forget, we have our free Facebook community, agencytrailblazer.com/group. If we don't see you in there, we will see you in the next episode.